Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sahil Mahajan, and in today's video, we're going to take a look into protecting EBS volumes with encryption. So let's dive right into the video. So let's talk about EBS encryption. EBS encrypts your volume with a key using industry standard AES 256. So whenever you choose that option to encrypt your EBS volume, AWS uses the industry standard AES 256 to encrypt your EBS volume. And EBS uses KMS when you are creating encrypted volumes and snapshots. So whenever you again, select that option to encrypt your EBS volume, AWS behind the scenes uses their KMS with AES 256 to en- encrypt your volumes and snapshots. Now let's talk about what happens when an EBS is encrypted. Data at rest is encrypted inside the volume. So if you have any data that is present inside your EBS volume, that would be encrypted. All the data that moves between your EC2 instance and the volume will also be encrypted. We also call this as data in transit. So all your data that is in transit between your EC2 instance and your volume will be encrypted. If you create any snapshots from an encrypted EBS volume, the snapshots will also be encrypted. And any volume that is created from a encrypted snapshot will also be encrypted. So you can see that encryption is all over the place, and we know that your data will be secure. And now let's talk about the steps on how to encrypt an unencrypted volume. So let's take, for example, you created a volume and you attached it to your EC2 instance, but by mistake, you forgot to select that encrypt option while creating the volume. So it's pretty simple on how you can basically encrypt that volume. First, what we're going to do is we are going to create a snapshot of that unencrypted device volume. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to create a copy of that snapshot. So whenever you're going to create a copy of the snapshot, you will get an option that says, do you want to encrypt the specified copy? And we're going to say, yes, we would like to encrypt that specified snapshot copy. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a new AMI using that encrypted snapshot that we took. So now when we use that AMI to create a new EC2 instance with that encrypted snapshot, the volume that is going to be present on that AMI will also be encrypted. So this is basically a very easy and straightforward process on how you can encrypt your EC2 instance volume if it is unencrypted. So I hope you guys got a good understanding related to all of this. And in the next video, we're going to dive into a demo on how can you encrypt an unencrypted volume and how can you encrypt volumes when you're also initially creating EBS volumes. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if there are any other topics out there that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye bye.